we're gonna try the sport mode and see how that feels. Maybe she's gonna feel a little bit more aggressive. Maybe the 116 that I've been feeling is just not enough for you. So let's just go ahead and kick that into gear. Oh, holy shit. Holy crap. Oh man, are you serious? Holy shit. Oh wow. I probably want to get out of sport mode. Definitely feels different. All right, let's see what she's all about. Take her out. These are kind of like drag bars. All right, let's go. Alright, ¿qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. We're going to be looking at the 116 Dark Horse. It does feel a little odd. I'm not used to it. These handlebars just seem a little bit too low for me compared to my 14-inch. But you know what? I think this bike's a little bit lower than my Lowrider S for sure. It's the first time getting on a bike. We're gonna just go ahead and get on here right quick. We're in the second gear now. Oof, it's a little hot today out here in the Bay Area, so we're just gonna take it easy for right now. I am scheduled to ride a few other bikes, but right now we're just gonna go ahead and start off with the Dark Horse. And I've been with the Chief Dark Horse. I've been looking at getting on this bike for some time, and I'm glad they came over here. This is on a Friday. It's a little bizarre, but I think it's because the dealership is actually closed on Sundays. So test rides are available until tomorrow, but by the time I upload this, it'll probably be too late. So we have another 116 right over there. I believe that's the Chief Bobber, and I have the Dark Horse. It's got that 19-inch wheel in the front, so I am excited about that. I don't know, I think they should have probably put some OEM exhaust on these bikes, just so we could get an idea of what they sound like, kind of like what Harley-Davidson did with the Pan America. What they actually did on some of the bikes is they offered some of the Screaming Eagle components on the Pan America when they came over recently. So we are gonna have to probably go around this guy, get back with the group, or probably not, I guess. All right, so far so good. It's got some shake to it. It's got more shake than the Lowrider so far. So I don't know the full details on the engine. I don't know if they have counterbalancers kind of like the Milwaukee 8. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that this bike does have 3 cams. For some reason they have 3 cams, and it's also a single pin V-twin, so it should have that sound. But like I mentioned, because they don't have the exhaust, I can't really hear it, so it's pretty quiet. I would probably compare it to my stock Lowrider S. It's about comparable. You guys know the stock sounds, just not, it's not ideal. Like I always said, you gotta swap out the exhaust on these stock bikes to really get them to sound good. So we're just gonna keep on riding. Like I said, so far I am liking the new feel of the bike. I'm looking forward to test riding the FTR. That's the one I really want to get on to as well. I really like the look of that bike. And like I've always said, you know, just ride your ride. Whatever you're looking for, whatever you want out of your bike, get that bike. This one is a little expensive. It's a little bit cheaper than my Lowrider, but you know what? I'm having fun. I own a Metro Cruiser. I've owned different Harleys, and I am liking this bike. I just can't get used to having my arms down this low. I haven't had a bike like this in probably about maybe 4 years with the handlebars like this. And last time I rode a bike with the handlebars down here, that was the Pan America. So it's just a little difficult to get used to, but like anything else, you don't really forget. It looks pretty good. I like it. But like I just mentioned, I just like the mag wheels. It's just, I'm not saying that those that those are ugly. I just prefer mag wheels over the spoke wheels. But that's the bobber look. You want that old school look, kind of like on the street bob, and it looks good. I'm a fan. I think that one has the ape hangers on it, or the mini ape hangers, so his arm's a little bit elevated than mine. I believe they offer 5 different options on the handlebars, so just something to kind of contact your dealer, contact your local dealer, and probably get in touch with your sales guy or whatnot. You know what, I'm not even sure why I'm the last person in this ride, but you know what, it's great. I think I get to let it rip a little bit. Ooh. That feels nice. I'm gonna just fall back a little bit and then just rip it, just so I could feel the bike. It just feels odd not having my Saddlemen step-up seat. There's no support back there, so I'm pretty sure monitor stuff like that is just gonna tweak it. It feels very agile having the mid controls. I am loving this bike so far. I am a fan. I am liking this bike. I'm really glad I came earlier, because this this V-twin, this power stroke is starting to get a little warm. Are we stopping, or are we just going? I gotta get used to the friction zone on this bike. It's a little bit out there towards the front. This bike has probably been on quite a few test rides, so maybe that's something it probably needs. Maybe a clutch adjustment. I don't know if it's like that, or maybe it's just something that I'm gonna have to get used to, I guess. But so far I'm liking the ride. I am enjoying the bike. I really like the bike. I'm a fan. I've owned, like I said, I've owned different types of bikes, and so far I am liking the bike. Let's go ahead and just drag a little bit behind, and then let's just give it some power. Let's see how she feels. Oh yeah, she feels good. She feels real nice. At 116. Man, you know what? I've been looking into it. I'm not an Indian expert or anything like that. I am not an expert of Indian. I do know a couple things. I've been a fanatic of vehicles, mechanism, engines, valves, jugs, all kinds of stuff since I was a kid. Since I was probably 13, I've been a huge fan of how stuff works, and I do know a little bit of these bikes. Not a whole lot. They've been around for a little bit, even though it is a 100-year anniversary. But come on, let's be honest, they were discontinued. I don't think that I don't think that applies. But I am liking the speedometer. Even at the even with the bright light and everything, you can still see the speedo. You can see how fast you're going. Let's go ahead and put this in neutral. Let's see how easy it goes into neutral. Yeah, that's nice. The bike feels great, feels amazing. Just a few things that you probably have to do to it, just like anything else, just like any other bike. You really have to turn this into something that you're going to be comfortable with and something that you're going to like. So just a few things, like I mentioned, my own things. A lot of people, they could get on this bike and be comfortable, and like I said, Indian offers a few different options on handlebars, so you don't have to settle with this option with the drag bars. You could go ahead and probably get those mini apes like the Chief bobber up there. Where are we going? Supposedly in these models, I think they're supposed to have like an easy pull type of clutch. I don't know, maybe I've been spoiled by my Mototech, but or who knows, maybe it's just the placement of my arm. I'm not 100% sure, but This is supposed to have some kind of an easy pull technology on it. It's got 120 foot-pounds of torque. I think that's more than my bike. I'm pretty sure that is. Like I said, it shakes a little bit more than my bike. It's got a little bit more shake, not too much. I do feel it in the seat, and I do feel it in the handlebar. So if you like that shake, if you miss that Harley shake, then you are gonna like this bike. I'm having a blast on it. We're gonna try the sport mode and see how that feels. Maybe she's gonna feel a little bit more aggressive. Maybe the 116 that I've been feeling is just not enough for you. So let's just go ahead and kick that into gear. Oh, holy shit. Holy crap. Oh man, are you serious? Holy shit. Oh wow. I probably want to get out of sport mode. This is just, holy crap, that's amazing. Wow. That's something else. Sport mode is wild. Let's go ahead and let her rip. I don't want to fall off the bike. I don't have my Saddlemen step-up seat. I might just fly off the seat. Let's go ahead and get on the freeway. Let's open her up a little bit. Cool them down. Cool the V-twin down. Cool the jugs down. Oh, holy Snikes, man, this thing is wild. Sport mode is something else. What gear are we in? Are we in 4th gear? Holy crap. Let's go in here, roar a little bit. I have to open up my mask. Alright, so that's pretty much the end of the video. This is my first impressions of the Indian 2022 Dark Horse Chief Dark Horse with the mag wheels, and beauty of a bike. It's an absolutely beautiful bike. Man, that speed mode is just insane. It's out of this world. I was just talking to these fellows right here about the bike. I didn't have a chance to do a proper outro, so I do have more videos coming up. All right, I have a bunch of more videos on the Indian models, so you guys just stay tuned. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for supporting the channel. I've been uploading quite a bit of videos recently, and if you guys think it's too much, go ahead and leave your comments down below. You guys could tell me, hey, take it easy with these videos. You've been releasing a whole bunch. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.